Good morning, everybody. Once again, this is going to be a maritime video. We see the ferry behind me there, docking, and there is a port here. We are in lovely Horten, the north side of Vestfold County. So there is also a couple of boats or ferries arriving shortly. So we'll try to make a cool video then. See ya!
If I fall too deep, will I come back round? I can barely see, but I hear the sound. When you're up so high, you can find the ground. Yeah, it's hard to breathe when you're upside down. When you're upside down. Upside down.